Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can withdraw your balance on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top right corner and click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, we're gonna find a list right here. You're going to find the user center, order, warehouse, parcel, wallets, and lastly, the logout option. So make sure that you're signed into your account and then click on user center. Once you click on user center, right here, you're going to find your balance, your Pandabuy points, your coupons, and lastly, your growth value. So right here, under your balance, you're gonna find the top up option and lastly the withdraw. So if you click on withdraw, you're gonna find this list where it contains the available withdrawals. So in this list, you're gonna find the start date, transaction method, withdrawal limit, discount, transaction number, and lastly, action. As you can see, guys, this list is empty for me because I don't have any available withdrawals. There is also another method is by going to wallets. And once you click on wallets, you're going to find your balance right here. And here in the right, you're going to find the top up option. And if you have any available withdrawal, you're going to find right here another option, which is refund. So I don't have this option, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. As you can see guys here in the picture, this is how the refund button looks like. So once you click on it, you can refund or withdraw your balance. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.